The process of DNA replication occurs in the S phase of the cell cycle. The first step in the DNA replication is the separation of the two strands of DNA. Opening of the two strands occurs only at particular locations known as origin of replication, which are some parts of the DNA rich in adenine and thymine. There may be more than one origin of replication in eukaryotic DNA. The unzipping of the two strands is done by an enzyme called helicase. Once the two strands open, it forms a Y-shaped replication fork. The two opened strands act as template for the formation of new strands. Then an enzyme called primase starts the process of DNA replication. This enzyme forms a small piece of RNA called primer, which is complementary to the template. This primer acts as a starting point for the construction of new strand of DNA. Another enzyme called DNA polymerase III binds to the primer and makes new strand of DNA. DNA polymerase III can only add DNA bases in one direction from 5' to 3' end. One of the new strand of DNA is called leading strand. This is the strand which is formed continuously, but the opposite strand is called lagging strand, and it cannot be made in this continuous way because it runs in the opposite direction. The DNA polymerase can form this strand only in small pieces called Okazaki fragments. Each fragment is started with an RNA primer. DNA polymerase then add DNA bases in 5' to 3' direction. Next primer is again added. Another Okazaki fragment is made and process is repeated again and again. Once the new DNA strand has been made, the enzyme called exonuclease or DNA polymerase I removes all the RNA primers from both the strands of DNA. Another DNA polymerase enzyme then fills the gap left behind after removal of RNA primer. Finally, DNA ligases seals the gap left and the process of DNA replication is complete here. The DNA wraps up again.